Let me show you how we can factory reset Xiaomi 17T and 17T Pro. I'm going to show you a couple of methods, couple of main methods that allow you to hard reset your phone. So the first option is to simply open settings, and then we're going to go to about phone, and then in here you should be able to find the factory reset option, so you can just simply select it. Then we have the summary of everything that is going to be removed from your smartphone, which is pretty much everything. So of course, remember to make a backup of everything that is important that you don't want to lose in the process. And over here, we're gonna just choose to erase all data, enter your screen lock password, and then just keep confirming. You also have the option to make a backup before you factory reset your phone. So if you need to do that, just go ahead and do so. But if you tap on factory reset, you will have to go through additional confirmation where you will have to just select that yes, you are sure that you want to perform factory reset. Now, besides that, another way to factory reset your phone is by using the Find Hub or Find My Device provided by Google. But first, to be able to actually use it, we need to make sure that it is enabled on our smartphone. So if you go to Security and Privacy in Settings, then in here we should be able to find Device Finders. Then over here we have the Find Hub, and there we go. Here we have the option to allow the device to be located. And also we have the option to check out how to use Find Hub. So we can either use the dedicated Find Hub app, or you can use the Find Hub website. And this is how it looks like. This is the website. So you can go to google.com/android/find. Of course, make sure that you use the same Google account as you use on your smartphone. And then in here on your devices, you should be able to find Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro. So you should be able to select it. And then here we have the option to factory reset your smartphone. And another thing that you can do is you can use the recovery mode on your Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro. In a recovery mode, we can also erase all data. And in order to do that first, in order to go to recovery mode first, we need to restart our phone. So I'm going to use the power and volume up buttons. I'm going to press both of these buttons at once so that we can open the power menu. And then we're going to slide down over here to reboot your phone. Now, once this circle disappears, you want to press and hold the volume up button. And you want to keep holding it all the time until you see the Xiaomi recovery menu. So even if you see the Xiaomi logo on the screen, you want to still keep holding the volume up button. And soon we should be able to have the recovery mode. There we go. Now in here, in this menu, we navigate by using volume up buttons. So you should be able to find wipe data option. You want to select it and then press power button to confirm your choice. Then over here, go to wipe all data. Once again, confirm with the power button, and if needed, go through additional verification. Make sure that you are sure that you want to erase all data, and then you should be able to factory reset your phone. In case you go back to this main menu of the recovery mode, then you just want to make sure that reboot option is selected. So you can just press the power button to confirm, and then once again choose reboot to system, so you can exit the recovery mode. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.